So wait, everyone always says that consistency is the key, that algorithm rewards consistency and we should just post consistently. And so I did exactly that for the past 2 months. I became a content machine. I was posting reels, shorts, long form content, everything that I could think of. One day it was a coffee recipe, another day it was a get ready with me, another day it was just a story time, just something relatable. And surprisingly, some of the videos did very well. Some videos got like 10 to 12k views, and I'm happy with that because for a small content creator like me, it means a lot to have 4,000 people, 12,000 people, 18,000 people watch my content. But there was a problem, and that was that my followers did not increase, and that confused me because like, why isn't it working? People are saying that consistency is the key, then why is the key not opening my door? And that is when I did an experiment. Long form content, I've been posting video essays because that is what I like, that is what I feel is true to me. On my short form content, I was posting things that were more trendy, that had viral hooks, that were expected out of me as a content creator. And where I grew was on YouTube because of my long form content. There, once I was consistent, my subscribers grew from 100 to 200 to 300 to 400 to 500 to 550 around it. But on reels and on short form content, I could pull thousands of views but no followers. And that is when I realized something. Maybe we are focusing on the wrong type of consistency. So that is when I question, why do I follow certain people? I follow people because of their apartment, because they're a coffee expert, because they have great recipes, because of their knowledge, because of the way they speak, because they read books. They are a version of me that I want to be. I was giving my viewers reasons to watch random things but never a reason to stay. And that is when I learned the difference between views and community. So community is something that you build. Community is people who want to be with you, who want to watch all of your content. For lifestyle creators, it would be everything that happens in their life, but for an artistic person, it might be anything that they come up with. So a community is a space which has people who are following you because of you, because they like the type of content that you make, because they like your vibe. However, views is just something that, oh, a reel popped on my feed and that was really interesting. Maybe I was rage baited by it. Maybe I was just infatuated by the person there. Maybe it was just a very weird take, and so I watched it and I scrolled past because I was not memorable, because that person on the screen was not memorable. But when do you follow someone? When that person is memorable, when that person provides you with something that you want to actually always have. Maybe it's the advice that the person have, maybe it's the vibe that that person has, maybe it's the apartment that that person have. It's something that people are envious of, not really envious of, but just something that they want to have. And at the same time, I also learned something more, which was you should always be 100% sure of the type of content that you want to make. Because for example, for a person whose goal is to make UGC content, right? For them, making a reel every day or making 2 reels every day makes complete sense, because they are selling their ability to make content every day. Their goal is to, sell things. Their goal is to make things feel like, oh, I want to have that. And for them, exposure and views is all that matters. But for me, or people like me who are making videos to feel seen, to share something deeper, to share something that is just me, for us, having a community is more important. So what you are going to focus on, the type of consistency that you are going to focus on, is individual and unique to you. It depends on the type of content that you want to make for yourself. If you want to be a tech guru, if you want to be a beauty influencer, those types of videos need views. They don't really need a community, but they definitely need views. But if you're making something that is much more personal to you, that to you feels like it has a deeper meaning to it, for us people, we should focus on the consistency of our brand, the consistency of the quality of our video. People are going to compare you with you. our motivation to actually post something shifts from what do I want to post, shifts from there to why is this video not getting the reach that my other video did. And so what we do, a very big and a very common mistake that we do, is we confuse consistency with repetition. Posting daily, following hooks, that is not consistency, that is repetition. Consistency is being true to yourself. Consistency is having a consistent, digital persona. Because obviously, if you're posting on Instagram or if you're posting on social media, then people only know you because of who you are on social media. Nobody has access to me in my real life, in my private life. People who know me in my private life know me for different reasons, but people who follow me here follow me for a different thing. It is very difficult. What consistency you need to have is a consistency in your brand and your brand image, and not in your content. A viral video is going to introduce people to you. Your unique identity is what is going to make them stay. Virality dies. It's you who stays, and it's your identity that stays. So here are the things that I'm going to change for myself. First and foremost, I'm not going to try to post every day. I'll only post when it feels right for me. Second one is that I'm going to try to become someone whose videos are unmistakably mine. Like, my video are mine. You can see it from a mile and know that it's me. Like how you can see it from a mile and know that Urfi can wear that dress. I want to be someone like that. And third one is that I would rather upload a video once a month than to upload 7 videos which could easily be made by anyone else. I cannot follow a template. Now that was all for my video today. I hope you learned something good. I hope you stay confident in yourself, because that is very important. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, keep growing.